Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see on screen, are a couple of must-have travel items, 5 in total, and it's all under £25. In fact, a lot of the items are much cheaper than that, but we're gonna dive straight into these 5 must-have travel items. Anytime I'm boarding a plane, anytime I'm getting on the Eurostar, anytime I'm traveling anywhere, I'm always gonna pack and take with me these 5 items that you see on screen. So we're going to get started. The first item is this item here, okay? And that is the iBlock Worldwide Travel Plug Adapter with 2 USB charging points, okay? So I'm just going to unzip it. So when you purchase this item, it comes in this little carry purse bag thing. And what you get with this is the travel pouch, the adapter itself, and a cable which has USB-C and USB ends, okay? Now, it's a good length, I would say. Try and get that on screen so you can see, okay? It's not a bad length. It's not the longest, but it's a good length. This is so functional. This is perfect, okay? So you can see, you know how a travel adapter works, okay? Very easy to use. I've never had any issues with this. It's one of the best purchases I've made for certain, okay? And I take it on every trip with me. And just the same as taking it out, you can pack everything right back into the bag, very easy. And that's it, okay? It doesn't take up much space at all. That brings us to the next item. So, whatever kind of luggage you have, I think you're always going to want to be able to identify your luggage when it comes out on the luggage belt, okay? Or the luggage carousel. So with my last trip to Canada, this was what I took because you can strap it any ways you want. You could put both straps, or as I did, I just used this one, which I've taken off the luggage. It does come with 2 of these luggage tags, okay? The other one is currently still in the bag. But I'll open this one on camera so you can see. So it's very simple, helps you identify your bag. You are able to slide this out, put your details on it. I like that the details are not super visible. So obviously you can write your name and everything. And if it has to be used, someone can take it out. But otherwise, it's very, very easy. And as you can see, you do have this that goes through, connected to your luggage as you would. Okay, fantastic. All right. And what I like about this is on Amazon, you can see a range of colors. So I typically have quite black, gray colored bags. So you want something that's a pop of color, and with both together, you know what's your luggage coming down the carousel. So definitely we'll say that's a must-have. Okay. Now, the next item, this is the next item. I will say there's only 3 on screen, but you do get 4 when you purchase this. This is the 5ml Perfume Atomiser refillable bottles. The 4th item is the silver colored one, as you can see on screen, and that's currently in my work bag. I could not be bothered to go get it to make them a complete set, but you will receive 4. These I always top up. I tend to identify each color with a particular perfume bottle, and I will refill with the same perfume, but you probably can mix and match without any issues. These are fantastic. They don't take up much space in your liquid bag allowance. And as you can see, they're quite easy. You just take the cap off, you can see that, and it's just an easy spray. And you top it up that way, so you would pump that onto your perfume. I'll insert a clip so you can see. So, the very next item, guys, is this. I currently, and have always, I don't know why I said currently, I always am an Android phone user. So Samsung, whatever brand of phone, it's going to be Android. I'm not an iPhone user, and that is a personal choice. But I will say sometimes it can be hard to find reputable Android luggage tags that actually work. So what you have here is the 2-pack Oscanna tracker tag, and it uses Google Find My Device. So this will only work for Android phones. And I really had to search to come up with this, and I used them on my last trip, and I could always check where my luggage was. I was able to see that very nicely, okay? So I'm going to insert the link for this. Links for everything will be in the description. This was fantastic. It's a full set. It's a full kit. very affordable price point, okay? Especially if you're someone that's ever worried about losing your luggage, or if you're ever traveling with something of increased value. And that brings me to my last item. I saved this for last because it's my favorite item. I've had this for 2 years now. First of all, as you can all tell, it is a travel pillow. So this is the Cabeau Evolution Plus Travel Neck Pillow, and it's memory foam neck support. So I love that it comes with a bag. So with this, first things first, you can unclip it and clip it onto your bag if you wish, or you can tie it if you want more security. You take the bag off, and let's just be ready for this. It's going to expand. Okay, and without too much of a fuss, I'm sure on screen you can see that that's filled up quite nicely. Okay, and you get a little pocket there. I usually just maybe put my earphones if I'm falling asleep and I want to keep them on me. Whilst you're wearing this, you can clip it as well if you want that added security around your neck. Sorry guys, I'm being a bit silly. So you can clip it and then it stays around your neck. You can fall asleep, you can make it tighter, whatever you want to do. Or you can clip it without the bag to your travel carry-on if you wanted to do so. So the reason I'm a massive fan of this is it is got a nice cover that you can unzip. So I'm able to wash the cover, something that's very important to me in making sure that, you know, this is coming in contact with plain seat, makeup from my neck region, that sort of thing. So you want to be able to clean it, and you know, 2 years of having this, you can see it's held up really well. And when you want to pack up after the trip, just to show you guys on camera, it does scrunch up quite nicely, and then you just get your bag and it just goes right back in with very little fuss. Okay, and then you come to this side, and there you go. It's all nice and packed to go back in your bag or clip onto your bag. So guys, that's my 5 travel must-have. Always take a travel neck pillow, always need a worldwide adapter, must have luggage tags, definitely want to take a range of perfume scents with me when I'm traveling, and just so that it's easier for me to identify my bag when it comes out on the baggage carousel. So let me know in the comments if any of these are also a must-have for you guys when you're traveling. Give the video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed what I had to share today. Do subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the videos I make and you want to support the channel so I continue making such videos. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.